It's a Trek from 1992, model 930, full chromo, 4130 baby. It's V-brakes, crappy wheels that I got at Bicycle Collective. But I'm rocking Gravel Kings, really cool tires, really nice feel to ride on them. Carbon bars with a modern stem, and I attach it via like a weird insert to change the diameter of the headset, so I can actually put the modern stem on. Very odd diameter seat post, like 26.8 millimeters, and a leather Selle Anatomica saddle.
So detailed.
And the crown jewel of the bike is a fish ski frame bag with 2 compartments, and the bottom compartment here holds a 3-liter water bladder, so I don't have to stop, and I can just use this hose with 2 magnets taped to it to drink like that.
Sick.